Okay, good evening student. We will start the topic respiration. First of all, we discuss about what is the process of respiration. Before starting the respiration, first we deal that the process of intake of gases exchange. If I deal about the intake of gases exchange, discuss about the topic of breathing. If I deal about the topic breathing, then what is breathing? Breathing is a part of respiration in which animals exchange the gases from environment to the body. If I deal about the entire process of breathing, breathing is nothing, it's just an exchange of gases between environment and body. Environment and body. Body. This process is a kind of active process in which energy doesn't require. It is a kind of active process in which energy doesn't require. So we can simply say that it's a process in which the gases will come inside the body and from the body the gas will move outside the body. Then if I deal about a simple process of breathing that we know that it's suppose that it is a surface which is termed as a body surface. This is the body surface. Suppose this is environment. This is the body. We know that from environment, the gas which is come inside will be oxygen, and from the body, the gas which will move outside like CO2. So this is a surface which is termed as the body surface, and this is very important that from the body surface and environment, the gases exchange will take place. Then, if I simply deal about the process of breathing, this is simple process of breathing, but how it differ from respiration? If I deal about the entire process of respiration, this is just a breathing process. And if I deal about the respiration process, in this respiration process, I deal about the process of respiration. What is respiration? I asked the first question to the student that what is respiration? It's just the exchange of gases. We simply know that from our lower standard that it's just the exchange of gases between body and environment. But if I deal about the internal scenario of the body, we simply know that respiration it include the breathing, it include respiration, include breathing, as well as it is the oxidation of food inside the cell. It's the oxidation of food inside the cell. Right? Then, so we can simply say that breathing is a part of respiration, but respiration is not a part of breathing. Because by the process of breathing, we just exchange the gases. And if I deal about the process of respiration, it includes both exchange of gases as well as the gas which is coming inside the body will be used as an oxidation of food. Because without the oxidation of food, if I simply write the terminology or I write the equation about that food plus oxygen, it will provide energy and CO2. This is a simple process of respiration. In this, breathing also included and also the process of oxidation of food included. So you can simply say that breathing is just exchange of gases and respiration includes exchange of gases as well as the oxidation of food inside the body cell of an organism. And suppose that if I deal about the different organism, different kind of plant, different kind of animal, and we deal about the process of respiration, process of exchange of gases, there will be a difference. Every organism, every plant, every animal will show different kind of respiration, and they have a different kind of scenario, different kind of body structure to get oxygen and to release the carbon dioxide. But the actual main process will be the common in all of the organism. That first oxygen will come, then this coming oxygen will move to the cell, and then oxidation of food will happen. This is the simple process of oxidation of food inside the organism. First, we'll deal about the respiration in plant. Then, first, suppose that I deal about the respiration. Next topic is respiration. I deal about respiration in plant. Then what happens inside the plants? There's a respiration in. I deal about the respiration in plant. First, my question is plant will respire or not? Plant will also respire, but plant having different kind of site for the respiration. If I deal about the respiration process, in this respiration process, if I deal particularly about the plant, we know that plants show different kind of organs for the exchange of gases. First, we deal about the structure which is very common inside the plant, that is termed as a leaf. If I draw the diagram of leaf, then what is the diagram of leaf? Suppose I draw the diagram of leaf with that. The leaf having an opening which is, this is the structure which is termed as, this is the stomata. Leaves having external layer of cell. This external layer of cell basically shows the opening which is termed as guard cell. This is termed as guard cell. And between the two guard cell, if they are turgid, they show an opening which is termed as stomata for the respiration. They use the term stomata for the respiration. If I deal about the stomata basically is a kind of opening for the exchange of gases inside the plant in the leaves. Then first oxygen will come inside the stomata. Then if I deal about the first oxygen will move inside through stomata and will be passed to different cells. We can simply say that the plant having leaves, they also have the stomata, and these stomata basically are the opening for the gases exchange, and they will show the process of exchange of gases. Then we will deal one more structure is present inside the plant. This is simply termed as the second term. The second term will be used as lenticels. Lenticels are the structure. Basically, these are the structure present inside the stem. This is the stem. This is the structure of stem. This is the structure of stem. Stem having single openings for the exchange of gases. These openings are termed as the lenticels. These are also the site of exchange of gases inside the plant. Then we will discuss another kind of structure which is also very important structure inside the plant. These structures are basically termed as the third one. It's the, I draw the diagram of roots. I draw the diagrams of roots. Basically, fixed roots are structures. These are the roots. Basically, these roots are fixed inside the particle of soil. These are the soil, suppose that is soil. They will use the gas which is present between the soil particles, and the gas will come inside the root. The gas will come inside the root by the simple process of, then we know that between the soil particle there is the presence of presence of oxygen will move to the body of the plant, and from the plant, the CO2 will be released inside the. This is a simple process of exchange of gases inside the tube. Then, if I simply study about the process of exchange of gases inside the plant, they have three important sites. First, there is the presence of stomata inside the leaf. Second, there is the presence of lattices inside the stem. And third one, there is the presence of root. Basically, root play an important role in the process of exchange of gases. Simply, we know that. I'll give one example that if I use that, suppose that if a farmer thinks that I should fill up my field with excess of water to get more production of the crop, then suppose that if he is giving excess amount of water, dip water inside the field, what will happen? At that particular time, we know that the roots will be blocked. We know that roots will be blocked, and if roots will be blocked, right, the phenomena of the scenario is that if if the root system of plant being blocked, then if the root system of plant is being blocked, then plant will not survive. Plant will not survive. Because if I fill up my field with excess of water, then all of the root system will block, and it's showing that the roots will be blocked. And after the blocking of the roots, the plant cannot survive. This is a simple phenomena of a root respiration inside the plant. Then we'll start the respiration inside the plant. Respiration inside the. Then we will start the respiration. We'll start the respiration. First, we move to the simplest organism, for example, amoeba. We know that amoeba is a kind of aquatic organism. It's a kind of aquatic. Leaves inside the water. Leaves inside the water. Then, amoeba and other kind of living organisms live inside the water. They will use the dissolved gas. They will use the dissolved gases. They will use the dissolved gas present inside the water and release the CO2 to the environment, which is then how the process of exchange of gases will take place inside the body of amoeba. Then I told a simple diagram that. Simply know that if I draw the diagram of amoeba, this is the amoeba. This is the water. That's the water. This is the water. And in this water, we can simply write that H2O plus O2 will move inside the body. After the consumption, CO2 will be formed, and CO2 will again move to the water. So, in the aquatic organism, all of the body of an organism will show this kind of respiration in which body will get oxygen from the water, and body will release CO2 to the water. In this phenomena, amoeba basically show the passive respiration. Amoeba basically show the passive respiration. We simply know that the process of exchange of gases doesn't require energy, but whenever a body system will change according to the environment, in this system, the oxygen will move by the force, and in this kind of force, body has to pay some amount of energy. Then we'll discuss about the respiration in fishes. Fishes having a structure which is termed as the gills for the respiration. I draw the diagram of fish. This is the diagram of fish. And this is the diagram of fish that the water will move inside the body of the fish. The water will move inside the body, and we know that fishes show that the water will move through the body. This is the structure. This is the structure. Fish is having a structure which is simply known as operculum. This operculum having the opening. This operculum having gills. These gills are the respiratory organ of the fishes, in which whenever the water will come inside the body, water will come with the excess amount of oxygen and will go out through the CO2. So we simply know that whenever fish use the water for respiration, they will use the oxygen of the water, and whenever it use the oxygen of water, oxygen will come through the water, then it will use the oxygen, and then after the consumption of oxygen, we will release CO2 directly inside the water, which moves through the body. Then I simply use the term respiration in fishes, respiration in amoeba, respiration in other kind of organisms. We have two kind of simple process. First, gases will move inside the body, and second, all of the gases which is coming inside the body will be used for the oxidation of food. This is the simple terminology for the respiration inside the organism. Then we will move another kind of organism. This is the earthworm. Then we will again discuss about the respiration in earthworm. Basically, is a kind of organism. Earthworm is a kind of organism. They have a segmented body having moisture, and every segment having a separate opening for the respiration. So the moist body is a kind of site for the respiration. So for the exchange of gases, animal should have the moist body, and this moist body helps animal to exchange the gases from the environment. This is very important. Like how the process of gas exchange will take place. This is a simple phenomena of the respiration in the organism. Then we deal about the human respiration. Later on we will deal about the human respiration. Later on we deal about the respiration inside the cockroach and other kind of organisms. But the basic phenomena of exchange of gases will be different, because different kind of organism having different kind of structure. So the exchange of gases process can be different, but the scenario of the respiration, that oxidation of food, will be common for all of the organisms. It includes algae, includes fungi, includes plants, animals, etc. Each and every kind of organism will show the common mechanism for the respiration, that they have to oxidize their food, which is used as an energy bank storage inside the body. Whenever we oxidize our reserved food, this food will form the amount of energy, and these amount of energy will be used by the organism for their working. So that's all about the exchange of gases, respiration, different kind of organisms show different kind of respiration. Animals are capable to survive with the process of respiration. If they are not doing the respiration, it means they are not capable of doing the exchange of, they are not capable of doing the life process.